What's up guys, Pat's here. Today I show you how to download HelloTalks on PC. Just click download on this link that I give you in the description and drag the files into your desktop. Double click here and then click yes and then install and then just wait for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Just a bit here, finish, boom, and then click here at the Play Store, sign in, enter your emails and password. I'm just gonna blur mine because privacy stuff. And then you have to verify yourself and using your phones or your emails. Then click I agree and then just wait a little bit. Then click accept and now you can search HelloTalks on your Play Store. Hit the install button, wait for 2 minutes I guess.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him HelloTalks on our PC right here, right now. You can also click open here or click on the HelloTalks icon on your desktop. Then we click add the email icons here. Not gonna sign up, log in here if you already have ad account, but please make sure to sync your email with your ad account first on your application by going to setting on the top right corner, go to ad account, then type your emails right here. After that, we back to login again, and boom, we in HelloTalks right now. Let me go check the live options here. Okay, Japanese speaking English. That sounds nice. And before you hop up into the live or the audio room, please make sure to go to setting, device, and choose a speaker and microphone to your main device. In my case, it's Shure MV7. Save change. And we done here. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe real hard, and leave the comments so I can see your ideas, what you guys thinking would be fun. So bye bye.